반갑습니다.
Wonderful Lina here.
네, 아주 아름다운 리나 보이시나요?
So this room is about the original works, and I wanted to share with all the audience how I work it and how I started to imagine the whole story and doing it. So here you see the character with her dress finished, and but it didn't start like that. When they told me if I wanted to make a musical, that was really a big challenge for me.
한국 제작진분들께서 저에게 뮤지컬을 함께 제작하자고 먼저 제안을 주셨을 때 저에게는 정말 큰 도전이었습니다. 제가 지금까지 했던 작업들과는 굉장히 결이 달랐는데요.
Because I had to think about the characters like live people.
왜냐하면 추리 캐릭터를 마치 살아있는 사람처럼 생각을 하고 그려야 하기 때문입니다.
So we recreate in this part of the exhibition like my studio.